Conclusion. This training gives away several secrets that you probably haven't heard before. There is a reason why these secrets are not out in the open. They are unpopular. A lot of people who make their living convincing others that they can become instant overnight millionaires doing online marketing don't want you to know about these secrets. They don't want you to know about the work involved. They don't want you to know that there is a shortcut involved. They don't want you to know about the fact that you can shorten your path to success by simply reverse engineering other people's success. They don't want you to know the fact that you can use your competitors to do your homework for you. They want to keep you in the dark about all of that. Why would they want to do it? Well, they want to believe that if you create hot content, people will magically appear in your website. In other words, they want you to keep coming back to them for guidance. They don't really want to give you the raw framework you need so you can get started. Now, please understand that I am giving you the raw framework. You still need to constantly experiment, tweak, and modify whatever it is you are doing to fit your circumstances. This enables you to fine-tune your results and eventually achieve ultimate success. When working with viral content, it really all boils down to finding what works and building on it. If this is your mindset, you should succeed. But if you think that you just need to poach other people's work and put in very little time and effort in syndicating this material, you probably are not going to be all that successful. Remember, at the end of the day, it all boils down to the value you add to people's lives. That is the bottom line. If you execute all the tips and tricks that I've included in this training with value in mind, you should end up doing pretty well. I wish you nothing but the greatest success.